Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a big brown box. What comes in a big brown box, you say? Well, what comes in a brown box and in black boxes? That's a better question. You guys, I can't keep up. I cannot keep up here, okay? This is crystal canvas art in the nice black boxes. I seriously ordered 2. She got another shipment. She loaded those. I ordered 2 more. I'm on the 2 plan, 2, 2, 2. She just keeps ordering and putting stuff up, and I just keep getting more. I'm obsessed. I can't help it. Okay, let's do the small one first. Why not? Let's do the small one, okay? So, this was her most recent, as far as no, I take that back. After she posted these, she came in and she posted some special drills. So sorry. Yeah, she got some special drill canvases in, and I think she's posted those after this. I'm having a hard time keeping up. I am. But that's okay. I love her stuff so much. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's unroll it. Ooh, and look what we have. So, well, you just do that. We have a different toolkit here, which is a nice little toolkit. A pink pen with a squishy, a moth boat, and wax. There we go. And drills that are pre-bagged. Yes. I love to work on Amy's kits just like this, right out of the bags. Yep, that's what I do. Okay, wow. Okay, this is bigger than I thought. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, wow. Just wow. That is one big cardinal sitting in his branches with all his flowers. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? That's gorgeous. You guys, it's beautiful. Poured glue canvas, full crystal. Crystal, 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 all day long, every day, right? So I noticed this in the last unboxing. I had 2 kits, and there's an addition here. This picture, this thumbnail picture right here. See it? She now has a picture of your kit right there. And over here on the other side, it's on here twice. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so now you can kind of look at the picture as you're going along to see, you know, how it's looking. The one I'm working on right now, I keep looking at my phone at the picture because there's some things I wanted to see that I wasn't certain about. Anyhow, it's gorgeous. 30 colors. You know, I will save all of her crystals. I've been matching them up. I have containers to store them in. There is a conversion chart. You can convert these numbers to DMC, the crystal code. Yeah, I'm hanging on to them. Look at it. Oh, look at the drill field. Everything on these drill fields is always perfectly clear. There is, except in my camera, which is trying to be blurry right now. We will make it work. Hello, thank you. There we go. Crystal clear drill field. Always. I've never had a problem with a symbol on one of these kits, ever. They are totally clear. All right? Wow, he's cool. He is awesome. I love him. This is the small one. It's a 40 by 60. Okay, that's the small one. All right. Okay, what are we doing here? I'm about to finish the autumn blue truck. Not the red truck, but the blue truck. Okay, here we go. Let's look at some crystals. Maybe not all of them, but we'll look at a bunch of them. 30 colors. Come on. Big long bag. Long bag. I can hardly wait to see what the other one has, right? These are in order, okay? Well, except for 25. 25 is out of place. But 25 is, I think those are the black resin drills. Yes. These are black resin drills to do all of that black. They're resin, and there's not a crystal black, but, you know, we use these to outline and make things pop. So that's a big bag of the black. Then we go in order, okay? Golds, greens. You see these beautiful colors? Some are just colors, I don't even know what they are. They're grays and champagnes, and they're hard to tell what they are. They do all go together, though, and create a beautiful picture, right? Like, what is this one right here? There's a lot of it. It's like a a light yellowy, I don't know how to explain them, what they are. Rust colors and golds, lots of those kinds of colors, right? Then we have, that's clearly an orange. More like browns and a lot of colors like that. Greens. Okay, here we got greens. Greens. We can tell those are green. Green, 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 green. 3 different shades of green. There's a lot of green in here, right? Here's some more green. And more green. Kind of to the yellow, gold. And here's our reds for our bird and our flowers. There's our reds. Beautiful, beautiful colors. You guys, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All right, I will put them all back in order when I put it away, but isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Remember, that's the small one. Let's not do that. All the drills will fall on the floor. There, let's go there. That was the small one. Oh, by the way, on the end of her box, she does have the pictures on the ends of the box and the size. So that's really a good picture right there. That's what it looks like. I think that might be an amaryllis, maybe. I don't know. They could just be random flowers that somebody made up out of their imagination. Right? All right. Here's the other one I got. The big one. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's not that much bigger. It's 50 by 50. Okay, 50 by 50. We can deal with that. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? You're gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh. Well, you won't be surprised though. You'll laugh, but you won't be surprised. Okay, same toolkit. And here's our drills again, all nicely bagged. Ooh, look at that pretty color right there. Look at that red. Ooh, look at that red. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Voila. Yep, we did it again. Another red truck. Look, there's a Cardinal right there. Oh my goodness. But this truck is filled with puppies. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow labs and 2 black labs. And then that's got to be mommy, right? And the Christmas tree, of course. We got to bring the Christmas tree home. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so cute. It's so cute. I could not help it. Do I need another red truck? No. Do I want another red truck? Yes, absolutely. Let me show you the box. The picture on the box is really, really pretty clear. Let me show you that. Hang on. Here's the box. Look at that. There's a house in the background, some trees way in the background, the fence post, the Cardinal on the post, the wreath on the back of the truck. Is that just not the cutest thing? Oh my gosh, Mama and her puppies in the truck, bringing home the Christmas tree. I saw this and I just went, okay, click. I mean, I didn't even hesitate. 28 colors. This is sticky glue, okay? It's nice, good. Okay, legend over here, legend over there. 28 colors. Awesome. And I love that we're including the thumbnail pictures on these. That is awesome. I just love that. Okay. Crystal Canvas Art Designs. Oh my gosh. Too cute. Look, he looks like he's barking or laughing or something. He's like, arr, arr, arr. I had to. You guys, I had to. You know me, red trucks. There's just certain things, it doesn't matter. I see them and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I just fall in love with them. I know, branch out, right? Branch out. Oh, that's a big red truck. It takes up a lot of that canvas, doesn't it? Who doesn't love a truck full of puppies? Seriously. All right. Colors, colors, colors. Number 2 is laying on the bottom. Why? Because number 2 is full and fat. That's red. That is red, you guys. Red, red, red. Okay? Then we have the silvery color, clear kind of silver. All right? And then we have another big bag of golds. So there's our big ones, right? Doesn't that just look like Christmas right there? Okay, and then you throw in a green. It's totally Christmas. Totally, totally Christmas. This is like a dark purple color. Look at that. Really light pink. I bet that's going to go back up in there in those. I think they're trees. I don't think they're mountains. I think they're trees. Are they trees? I think they're just trees back there. All right. Oh, that's a really, really pale pink right there. Super pale. Look at that. All right. Colors. I'll pull out any really, really fantastic, beautiful ones. Well, pause. There's an orange, burnt orange, umber. Is that a color? Umber? Seems like it is. Look at those. Oranges and reds. That's another. Look at those. Beautiful. You guys, it's going to be so cute. What's this? This is purple. This is purple all day long right there. Purple. And then look at blue. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. And another green. Nice. Okay. I'm in love. Okay. I'm suckered in. That's yellow. Yellow. And a couple more orangey reds. Not that we don't have orangey reds to paint here. And then a green. All right. I love it. Just love it. You guys. Amy's killing it over there with this stuff, you guys. There's so many cute things. Pretty, beautiful. Whatever word you want to use. Yeah. Okay. I'm done. I got to stop talking now. If you have not been over to Crystal Canvas Arts in a while, this was part of like a Christmas release. There were other Christmas paintings. Also, if you want to get a crystal Christmas painting, she has several. And she did just upload some special drill partials. Check those out. She's doing a great job, you guys. I'm hooked. You know, I'll make you a believer. Wait until you see the fall truck. It's almost done. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Come back and see some more videos because I'm always doing something fun, okay? Yeah, that would be great. And I love your comments. Keep them coming. I will talk to you guys later. Merry Christmas!